tires on cars, motorcycles, and light trucks. The manufacturer offers 3 similar models, with a tank of 0.65, 1.3, and 2.1 gallons. They provide a fast and efficient burst inflation that takes only a few seconds. The ease of operation and ergonomic shape are additional advantages. The operator holds the device by 2 handles, increasing operational safety. The low weight of the tool reduces fatigue, increasing the work rate as well. The weight is 13, 16, or 21 pounds respectively. The manufacturer is the American company Gaita Tool. The price ranges from $350 to $500. Darda Splitter C. Cutting stone and concrete is often a complex and messy process, but not if the job site is equipped with a Splitter C series tool from the British company Darda. It is relatively small in size and weight, but generates a force that, depending on the model, can reach 550 short tons. Splitting is done with as little noise and dust as possible, and in the shortest possible time. The process goes as follows. The Splitter C4E is inserted into a pre-drilled hole. A hydraulic mechanism then pushes the metal shank forward, expanding the working tool. This squeezes the stone or concrete from both sides, creating cracks in the material. Depending on the model, the machine works with a hole diameter of 1¼ to 1.9 inches and a depth of 10.6 to 21.6 inches. The Lasky F460. Cleaning the area is an important preparatory stage that must be performed before any construction work. The manual stump grinder from the Czech company Lasky can help you do it much faster. The equipment was designed specifically for cutting and subsequent removal of stumps on the ground and under it. Among the most outstanding features is the automatic locking of the moving top. It provides better controllability and increases workability. The stump grinder is only 2.5 feet wide, making it perfect for operating in tight spaces. Finally, the model has a versatile working width that allows it to handle stumps of almost any size. The maximum diameter recommended by the manufacturer is 2.6 feet. The machine grabs up to 8 inches of material, both above and underground. The machine is capable of processing 4.3 square feet of material every hour, thanks to the 12 built-in blades. SF Portable Winch. The easiest way to install simple high-rise structures in the field is to use a portable winch like this one. The structure can be attached to any sturdy static object, in this case a large tree trunk. A motor is then started which pulls the rope, thus lifting the load. This method is ideal for working with large loads, and is also suitable for smaller job sites when you have to work in cramped conditions. Australian manufacturer Specialized Force offers 8 models of portable winches. They're available with electric or gasoline engines, with pulling forces ranging from 771 to 2,535 pounds. Lifting speeds also depend largely on the model and load, and can range from 23 feet per minute to 118 feet per minute. ErgoGo. If you still think hydraulic concrete demolition is done by cumbersome and complex equipment, you'll be surprised. This compact system from the Swedish company Aquajet Systems can get the job done quickly and efficiently. The design consists of 3 parts. The first is a metal frame, which is assembled in front of the work surface. The second is the working head, which performs the high-pressure water supply and thus the cutting. The tool is fixed to the frame so that it can move on a vertical and horizontal axis. Finally, the last part is the pump with built-in controller. Surprisingly, Ergo Go can be assembled and operated by one person. The only tool needed is a wrench. The working width is adjustable from 0.8 to 6.5 feet, as the maximum distance between the frame legs is 6.5 feet. The minimum working height is 12.5 to 20 inches. Roddy R8. Few people know that it's not necessary to dig a trench in the ground to lay a pipe. An alternative method known as pipe ramming can be used with the right equipment. It involves pipe bursting machines, which create enough pressure to overcome the resistance of the soil. The system you see on your screen is called the R8, and it was designed by the US company Roddy. It consists of two elements, which makes it compact and allows it to work in confined spaces, for example in basements, sewers or septic tanks. The unit generates a pulling force of 30 tons and is designed to work with pipes from 1 to 8 inches in diameter. This equipment is used when conventional excavation work in the area is not possible. PD3000. The next piece of equipment on our list is designed for railway maintenance work. The PD3000 from the Italian company FCS is a hydraulic machine for inserting and removing Pandrol rail clamps. This technology is considered innovative and is used before welding to protect the rails from defects. The only disadvantage is the complexity of clamping, which is solved with the PD3000. The equipment is powered by a powerful Honda gasoline engine. The integrated lighting system allows to work comfortably in the dark as well. Another highlight is the ergonomically designed handle with hydraulic assistance. It keeps the operator safe while offering the ability to work very quickly. Sembra CSEU. And here's another piece of rail equipment, this time a support trolley, also designed to streamline and simplify railroad maintenance. The structure is attached to the rails and then moved along them. At the same time, an impact wrench or a drill can be attached to the trolley. Normally, this is bulky and heavy equipment that overloads the operator, causing them to tire more quickly. But in this case, the CSEU from the Italian company Sembra helps the operator, relieving the strain and allowing them to work productively for longer. This invention is also patented. The Enerpac EWCH series. The last piece of equipment we'll talk about today is a wire cutter designed to handle especially large cables. An electric motor drives an extra sharp blade and generates a pressure of 10,000 pounds per square inch. That's enough to cut 3.5 inches of metal wire. The equipment itself is compact, but it weighs 117 pounds. The manufacturer emphasizes the precision of the work, ensuring a clean cut. In addition, controlled cutting increases the operator's safety. And finally, compared to other tools, it reduces risks to a minimum.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.